Hi everyone, this is Katie coming to you from Studio HN, and today we are here to talk to you all about flat back earrings. So what is a flat back stud? Also known as a labret, push pin, threadless, push fit stud, or a nap earring, flat back earrings have a flat, smooth backing that allows your stud to sit comfortably against the ear without causing discomfort or sensitivity. Flat back studs are good as semi-permanent earrings that you don't plan to change as often as you would traditional studs. Flat back studs differ from traditional earrings, which are put in from the front to the back, in that they are slid from the back of the ear through to the front. We'll get more into that later in the video. Here are your components. As you can see, it looks a little bit different than a typical stud earring. The decorative front piece is made from 14 karat gold fill, rose gold fill, or sterling silver. We can also make some of these in solid 14 karat gold. The pin end is made of thin, solid 14 karat gold wire that is inserted into the titanium post. The post backing is 8 millimeters in length and made from 18 gauge titanium. How to install your flat back earrings. Hot tip. When installing or removing your earrings, it's advisable not to do so over a sink or any other space where the earring could fall and get lost. Before your earrings are shipped to you, we will slightly pre-bend the front pin for your convenience. Step 1. Begin by aligning the front pin end of the earring with the titanium backing and gently sliding it about halfway into place. To ensure optimal fit, you may need to make slight additional adjustments for more tension. If so, very gently bend the pin end, taking care not to overdo it and risk damaging the pin. Practice inserting the pin fully to feel how secure your bend is. Step 2. Put the earring through your piercing. Once you have created tension in the earring, it's time to put it through your piercing. Carefully insert the back of the earring into the back side of your piercing. This process can feel a little backwards, but it's easy once you get the hang of it. Step 3. Slide the pin end into the post. This will secure the earring in place and ensure that it doesn't fall out during your daily activities. The tension created in step 2 will keep the earring securely fastened. And there you have it. You have now successfully installed your semi-permanent flat back studs that you can wear day and night comfortably. If you're having any trouble installing your earrings yourself, you can get in touch with a local piercer and they will most likely be able to help you out. Remember, maintenance for your earrings is very important and you just want to make sure you keep them cleaned and well maintained. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please make sure to let us know in the comments and ask any questions you might have. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we hope to see you next time.